Good morning, grade 5. Welcome back to grade 5 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? We have already started the chapter 9, perimeter and area. And in the previous class, we revised the concepts of perimeter and area. Today, let's learn how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Before that, what is perimeter? The perimeter is the length of the boundary of a closed figure. And for figures with straight sides such as a triangle, a rectangle, a square or a polygon, the perimeter is the sum of lengths of all its sides. This we have learned in the previous class itself. So today, let's learn how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. See, I've got a rectangle here, rectangle ABCD, and it has got the sides which has length L and breadth B. Now, by definition, what should be the perimeter? The perimeter should be the sum of all its four sides. So, the sum of all its lengths and breadths. So, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to sum of its four sides, which is equal to the length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Now, see, and what is its length here? It is L plus B, the breadth, plus L plus B. So, just rearranging the dimensions, length plus length. See, writing the lengths together, length plus breadth plus breadth. Now, see, here length is added 2 times and breadth is also added 2 times. So, we can write L plus L as 2 times L plus breadth as 2 times B. So, that is 2 into L plus 2 into B. See, this 2 into, this is common to both this length and breadth. So, we can take that as a common factor and we can write this is equal to 2 times the sum of length and breadth, that is 2 times L plus B. So, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B or 2 into length plus breadth. So, this is the formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. This you have to keep in your mind. Now, let's see some examples of how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. So, you've got a question here. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 16 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So, what is the question? You have a rectangle and what is its length? The length is 16 centimeter and the breadth is 8 centimeter. So, a rectangle has got sides which are equal on opposite sides. So, 16 centimeter here, here also it would be 16 centimeter and 8 centimeter here. So, here also it would be 8 centimeters. Now, how do you find out the perimeter? The perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus breadth. And what is the length here? 16. What is the breadth here? 8. So, the perimeter would be 16 plus 8 and that into 2. So, let's see the steps. Length of the rectangle is equal to 16 centimeter as given in the question. Now, the breadth of the rectangle is equal to 8 centimeter. Now, the perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 16 centimeter the length and 8 centimeter the breadth. First, you have to do what is given within the brackets. Remember the BODMAS rule. See, what is it? BODMAS means the brackets, then order, then division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. So, that is the order we do mathematical operations. So, when something is given within the brackets, we do that first. We calculate that one first. So, here 16 plus 8 that is given within the bracket. So, let's find out what is the answer to that first. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. Now, you have to multiply that by 2. So, that is 2 into 24. 2 into 24 is equal to 48 and since the dimensions are in centimeters, the unit here to be written is centimeter. So, the perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 48 centimeters. Clear? Now, we will see one more example. A rectangular park whose length is 30.5 meter and breadth is 20.5 meter is to be fenced with a barbed wire. How much of barbed wire is needed? See, so from the question, we understand that we have got a park which has the shape of a rectangle and the length is 30.5 meter and the breadth is equal to 20.5 centimeter. Now, we have to build a fence around it, which means it will be going along its boundary, and we need to find out the length of the wire, the barbed wire which we need to buy. So, we need to know the length of this boundary, which is the perimeter of this rectangle. Length of the boundary equals perimeter. So, let's find out the perimeter of this one. So, from the question, let's write the steps as length of the park is equal to 30.5 meter. Breadth of the park is equal to 20.5 meter and the perimeter is equal to 2 times L plus B, the length plus breadth. That is 2 times 30.5 plus 20.5. Do what is given within the brackets first. So, calculate 30.5 plus 20.5. How do we do that? 30.5 plus 20.5. Addition of decimal numbers. So, here you have 5 plus 5, 10. You write the 0 here, put the decimal point here, carry over 1 to the next place. So, here it is 0 plus 0 plus 1, which is 1. Then here it is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So, it is 51.0 and that into 2 or 2 into 51.0. So, the perimeter 2 into 51.0 meter is equal to 102 meters. That is the perimeter or the length of the barbed wire that you need to buy to make a fence along its boundary. Hope you are clear with these examples. Now, we will see a couple more examples. See this question here. This is a rectangle and it has got length 25 and breadth 15. You have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. So, to find out perimeter, just add up the length and breadth, multiply that by 2. That's it. So, 25 plus 15, how much is it? 25 plus 15 is equal to 40 and so the perimeter P is equal to 2 into L plus P. And what is L plus B here? 25 plus 15. What is 25 plus 15? It is 40. So, the perimeter is equal to 2 times 40, which is equal to 80 centimeter. It's very simple. Just add up the length and breadth, multiply the answer by 2. Now, one more example. Here you have the length 30 meter and the breadth is 10 meter. The longer side is the length of a rectangle. So, length is 30 and breadth is 10. So, what is the perimeter? It would be 30 plus 10 equal to 40 and that into 2. So, here the perimeter would be equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into, what is L here? 30 and breadth here is 10 and 30 plus 10 you have to do first, which is given in the brackets, which is equal to 40. So, the perimeter here is equal to 2 times 40, which is equal to 80 meter. Why? Because here the dimensions are given in meters. I hope these examples are clear to you. You have to go through the topic perimeter of a rectangle in page number 139 and 140. Then you have to do a few questions from exercise 9.1. You have to complete the questions 1D, 1E, 2A, 2C, 2D, 2F, 2H, 2J, 2K, question number 4 and 5B of exercise 9.1. Once you are done with these questions, you can take a picture and send us through Teams. So, I hope the concept we learned today is clear to you. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.